As your business grows, so too does the complexities of managing its inventory. With more locations, products, and channels than ever before, what you used to be able to manage with a few spreadsheets has now ballooned into an endless, interconnected web of Excel hell. Your teams spend too much time trying to wrangle and understand the data and not enough time making strategic decisions to improve your business. But upgrading to enterprise planning systems is expensive, time-consuming, and just not practical for many mid-sized companies. So what's the solution? Meet Growthsayer, the easiest and most affordable way to move out of Excel hell and into a modern platform that uses artificial intelligence to predict issues before they happen. Growthsayer will pull in your data from any and all sources and combine them into a single model. Our state-of-the-art forecast engine accurately predicts demand and inventory at a granular level, allowing you to slice and analyze your business with the flexibility you need. With Growthsayer's powerful ROI boosters, major issues slipping through the cracks are a thing of the past. Get critical alerts on issues you care about that are easy to understand and have clear recommendations. Explore your business through visually interactive dashboards and reports. Customize Growthsayer to fit your needs without breaking the bank. Take immediate action by converting Growthsayer's intelligent recommendations into a finished purchase order with a click. Growthsayer. Optimal inventory, minimal time. Book a demo today.